Perfect.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on Chrysler 300 2014. I'm about to take off the power steering to change the reservoir because it has a small leak. It's because of the O-rings. So I'm going to start by taking off the tire so I can get really easy access to it, because it's located right by the bumper. Like, I'll show you in a bit exactly where. Alright, I'm going to start lifting up the car and then take off the tire and we go from there. Gonna put this stand under the car just for safety. Access to it, I have to take all fender liner. It's supposed to be right there. This is the replacement. It's still in the box. We're gonna open it right now. That's the part number if you need it. This is what's inside the box. With 2 O-rings. They're gonna go to the power steering pump. Right, this is it. It has a bracket right there, that bolt right there. I'll just figure out what bolts that I gotta unscrew and I'll let you know. Okay, this is where the hose is connected. We're gonna have to disconnect it. It's this one right here. And drain the fluid from it so it's be easier to take it off. This is the hose already. Pull the lock. It's right here. I'm gonna drain it right away. Here's the other bolt for the other hose. This is the power steering out of the car. We're gonna have to take the reservoir off. There's 4 bolts. You can use Allen key. Okay, there's 2 O-rings you have to change. There's one right here and one on the bottom one. That's the second one, and that's where it goes on this part. The new reservoir. I'm going to put it back together. I opened the bracket for it, it's easier. So I'm gonna put it in the bracket back, and then I'll put the bracket back to the car. Now we're just gonna put the fluid back in it and all good to go.
Perfect.